How to make birthday video on Capcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make birthday video on Capcut. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is open up your Capcut. After you open up your Capcut, make sure that the Capcut is updated to the latest version and you're connected to the Wi-Fi. After you do that, you'll need to head over to this templates section, which you'll find at the bottom. And all you have to do now is search for template. So simply search for happy birthday. And after you search for happy birthday, you should be able to find a lot of different templates. So all you have to do is choose a template that you like. So you can just go ahead and find a lot of different templates. So I'll just use this one. Tap on use template and choose photos and videos, whichever you prefer. And you can keep on adding more and more photos and videos, and it should play like that. You can replace, crop, and do many other stuff as well. And after you're satisfied with the edit, tap on the export button
I
on
want
top
deals.
right, and you should be able to get the video, and that's how you make the birthday video on CapCut. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.